So here we go then, another, you can't even see it, I should think it's up there, SEEED Studio in XAIO, in one of those light solar boxes again. Not the best position, it'll start catching the sun just now. Wonderful viewpoint. We're at HIDC, and that's looking down there towards, that's Howick and Hilton, but in fact I can see the mast on top of Howick there, so that would be a great place. People of Howick, put something up on that hill, and this point to point will work, and then all the way around to the Berg, that's the Camberg over there, Giant's Castle out there, all the way up, and I've actually got permission, there's some masts on the hill there, to use that site. I must use that site as well, I think. And then Escort is over there. Sadly, it's just over the hill, just over that little rise there, which is a bit of a dinkum-dunkum blasted sort of a thing. But I need to come back here with a ladder. Don't know how I'll get the ladder here. I need to unbolt this, and I need to just put the node just up on that mast, just up there, just so it's as high as the height of this building, and then I reckon, but it won't be a cracking signal, that's for sure. But a good look out that way, that's up towards Ladysmith up there. That would be out towards Greytown that way, Mount Gilboa, and maybe it's sinking through that gap there down to the coast. But yeah, it's not going to see anything through that building. But this is a good place to start. I'll put it up there. I'll see what it hears. I'll come back with a ladder. Up at the mast again above Nottingham Road. See that smoke there? We had snow, and this morning the mountains there covered in snow. Beautiful, beautiful view. But now the sky is filling with smoke again, very, very sadly. It's very selfish of these people. But the reason why I'm up here with a node now, and I'll add this to the other, so that node that you love, I'll add a video clip in front of this, is up there about 20, in fact I can even see the bump it's next to, about 20 k's away, maybe a little bit more. There's Nottingham Road, where the pub and all the good things that I do are, school, everything, down there towards Howick and Hilton. And there is a node out on the hills between those bushes there, far away, that's been put up in a fantastic site. And it would be great to make the leap down into Durban via that. And over here, the guys also want to put up, shall I zoom and see if it works? Oh, it is going to work, okay. That hill's called Inchlazan. Where's my finger? There's my finger. That hill there is called Inchlazan. And the guys want to put a node up in that saddle. So this would talk to that as well. You can see the remains of the snow on the hills over there. Beautiful, beautiful day after the snow, really is beautiful. So there's the plan, or a plan maybe. Maybe I should just put a pole up and put something simple here and put a beam that way. It doesn't have to be too much, because boy does it blow up here. One of the chaps in the group's got quite big actually, which is fantastic. They work in telecoms, might have access to one of these towers, so that would be great. But in the interim, I'll just shove a little pole up there and put something on there. It's got to be good. And just in addition, for my radio chums, this is higher than windmills. That fire is next to windmills. This is looking down on windmills. Just as a bit of a silly aside as well, at the end of the day, if you were out looking for someone and you were leaving nodes behind to extend your mesh's range, that's all you've got to do. Stick something like that in a post and it will help. As people say, walk from this valley over into that valley or that valley. It'll help a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. It's simple, really.
I've been really slow sorting out this video, so we're actually like 3 weeks later. But 5 cats in this image, the one off to the right, that is the one that was trying to find above school from the antennas, and it's working really well. But my word, that's a heck of a long way down to Durban. So we're still working on getting down the N3, but basically there's lots of hills and bumps in between. To the west of us, or me here, high mountains, but going down that way, it really is a climb and then descent down into Durban. And then this is all the routers, the main nodes as it stands. So very successful so far, and I can't believe how quickly this group is growing.